Thank you, Chairman Harper. I want to thank you for bringing this important piece of legislation to our attention. As history has shown us, since 2008, participation by the candidates running for president has gone down. As a matter of fact, every 2016 candidate for president, every major candidate shied away from using public funds, so much so we have a balance of $317 million sitting in the presidential election campaign fund. And Mr. Chairman Harper, your bill would take $63 million of that and put it towards fighting pediatric cancer. During my tenure as a member of Congress, I'm thrilled this committee has found a way to better appropriate the resources of the dying presidential election campaign fund. The rest of the money would go to paying down the national debt. I got to tell you, Chairman Harper, you and I have worked together on these issues, and I was personally touched by the story of one of my constituents, Johnny Wade, a courageous 8-year-old from my district who passed away tragically this past year from a rare form of brain cancer on Christmas Eve of 2015. I rallied other members during the State of the Union to wear our Team Johnny bracelets to show support for funding more pediatric cancer research. And I have worked with my colleagues to push more funds through the appropriations process. In 80% of children, when cancer is detected, it has already spread to other parts of the body. And unlike many adult cancers that can be diagnosed early, pediatric cancers are more difficult to detect. New therapies going under clinical trials at the NIH, such as CAR T-cell therapy, where a patient's T-cells are removed and engineered to fight cancer cells, are showing promise. But we need to do more to make sure that these therapies can improve and have a widespread impact to save children like Johnny Wade. And research funding for NIH, including that for the Gabriella Miller Kids First Act, can do just that. I fully support this legislation and urge my colleagues on this committee to vote yes on H.R. 133.